Hello class 12. Today I am going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 10, Human Health and Diseases. Chapter 10 in your book, that is Human Health and Diseases. First, definition of health. What is health? According to WHO, World Health Organization, a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. Means if person is suffering from any disease is not a disease person. It's not a if person is not having any type of disease, that is not that person is a healthy person. Means a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Here three things are included, that is physical, mental and social well-being, not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. That is health. This definition is according to the WHO, means World Health Organization. And what is disease? Disease is any deviation or any interruption of the normal structure and function of any part of the body. What is disease? Is any deviation from interruption of the normal structure and function of any part of the body. As in your syllabus, two type of diseases, that is communicable or infectious disease, non-communicable or non-infectious disease. Human diseases basically broadly classified into two types. Human diseases broadly classified into two types. First is communicable diseases and second is non-communicable diseases. Now first, communicable diseases. What is communicable disease? A disease caused by a specific pathogenic organism and capable of being transmitted to another individual by direct or indirect contact, as known as communicable or infectious disease. For example, like common cold is a communicable disease, and dengue, chikungunya, any disease which is caused by the pathogen organism that is capable of being transmitted to another individual by direct or indirect contact is known as communicable or infectious disease. An infection occur when harmful organism like microorganism or infectious agent is called as pathogen. What is pathogen? Disease causing agents are called pathogen. Pathogens are disease causing agents which are able to cause disease. These organisms include virus, bacteria, protozoan, fungi, worms, which can pass from one person to another by various routes. When harmful organism enter the body, they begin to produce or reproduce, but it takes some time for them to multiply in enough members to cause symptoms. The time that elapses between the entry of the organism in the body and appearance of the symptoms is known as incubation period. What is incubation period? Incubation period, a time between when a microorganism enter in your body and first symptom appear. The time period is called as known as incubation period. Means here, what is communicable diseases? Communicable diseases caused by the specific pathogen organism and capable of being transmitted to another individual by direct or indirect contact is called communicable diseases. First thing is pathogen. Pathogen are the microorganism, virus, protozoan, fungi and worms which can pass from one person to another by various route, or microorganism which are able to cause disease is called pathogen. Incubation period is a time period when microorganism or pathogen enter in your body and first symptom appear, that is called incubation. That time period is called incubation period. Now second is non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are those which are not transmitted from unhealthy person to healthy person. Just like for example, AIDS is a good example of non-communicable diseases, heart attack, and any metabolic diseases which are not transmitted from the unhealthy person to a healthy person are called non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are those which transmitted from unhealthy person to healthy person. It is caused by the microorganism like virus, bacteria, protozoans or pathogens, collectively called as pathogen. Microorganism or any organism which are able to cause disease is called pathogen. Non-communicable disease are those diseases which are not transmitted from unhealthy person to healthy person. For example, is AIDS, HIV/AIDS, and heart attack, cancer is a good AIDS is a sexually transmitted disease, but it's not a non-communicable. It is a type of communicable disease, but it is a sexually transmitted disease. As a good example is cancer. It is cancer. Blood diabetes is a good example of non-communicable disease. This one is come under this. AIDS is communicable disease, is a type of sexually transmitted diseases. Now, mode of transmission of diseases through pathogens. Mode of transmission. Mode of transmission or through pathogen. Mode of transmission. Here two type of transmission, that is a direct method and second is indirect. Direct and indirect method. Indirect method, that is a direct contact, droplet infection, injuries, animal bite through blood and blood products and through placenta. By direct contact with an infected person like chicken pox, smallpox, measles, ringworms. Droplet infection by coughing, sneezing, splitting, common cold, influenza, diphtheria, tuberculosis and mumps. Now here direct contact by within an infected person. Second is droplet infection. Droplet infection, good example is that is common cold, influenza, common cold, influenza. Next is injuries. Bacterial cyst of tetanus enters body from soil through injuries. Animal bite, for example rabies, and through blood and blood products like hepatitis, and through placenta, that is HIV. HIV is a sexually transmitted disease and also transmitted through placenta, means mother to fetus, that is placenta. It connects mother to fetus, that is placenta. HIV virus passes this placental membrane and transmitted to fetus from mother. Now next is indirect transmission. Pathogens are transmitted through some intermediate agent. Indirect transmission through intermediate agents like mosquito, housefly, and housefly. Vectors are called vectors. Intermediate agents are called vector. Vectors only carry the germs or pathogens. They are not able to cause disease. They are only carry germs. That is called vectors. Vectors like housefly causes cholera, typhoid and dysentery. Mosquito like well-known diseases like dengue and malaria. Cockroaches contaminates water and food with disease germ also.